respect is important. Toxicity pwede mo iwasan eh. I mean, if it's really toxic, pwede mo iwasan. Pero igalang, importante igalang. No matter what the situation is, no matter how angry you are, being respectful, in spite of everything, still makes you better.
At saka iba-ibang pinagdadaanan ng mga tao, di ba? Sometimes, things happen and we become a certain character because marami rin mga pinagdadaanan.
Let's say sa work. Hindi naman lahat ng tao okay. Diba, there are times toxic sila. So pag toxic sila, do you just get up and leave? Of course not. Diba? You need to be able to coexist with
Go
people.
with the flow.
And if you leave, or ikaw yung bumitaw, it says more about you than them.
Okay, pop it or drop it. Telling your child or your children your wild youth stories.
I'm in the middle, but I'll go pop it. Parang hindi naman isipin na anak mo, you're such a stuck-up person. Kasi di ba, when you tell your children, been there, done that, they look at you with this face like, yeah, right.
Like, really? What did you do?
Yeah, di ba? Talaga, really, you're so boring. Di ba? So, this is sasabihin mo sa kanila, hello.
I also had my heydays. I also had fun.
Di ba? But always with a reminder. Kasi I tell my children, I was working.
Or,
I was earning my own money.
yes, or learn from this.
Diba?
Diba? I used to do this, but learn from it. Kasi ito naman yung na-realize ko later.
Oo.
Tama. Or just be honest.
Yeah.
Okay. Kung wala ka naman itatago, just be honest.
Just be honest.
Pop it or drop it. Posting your child's personal drama online for awareness.
Drop it. It's not your business.
Correct.
So it's not your life.
Magagalit sa akin ng mga anak ko. They're very, very private kasi.
We are public personas, but we're very private people. Magkaiba yung dalawang yun. Ako, drop it talaga.
Huwag makialam.
Not your business.
Correct. Sarili nila yung buhay. Pop it or drop it. Working on a project with someone you don't personally like. Nako, mahirap yan. Kasi that's where your professionalism comes in, diba?
Depende.
Ay, depende.
I'm pop it and drop it.
Okay.
Depends on why hindi mo siya gusto. Ngayon, kung medyo abusive siya, kung
Ay,
harasser, drop it talaga. Pop it, because like I said earlier, sa first question, you need to coexist with people. It's a test of character, it's a test of patience, and you know, life's like that.
And yeah, you have to be professional
To be
enough
professional.
not to bring in the personal side, diba? Kung may personal disagreement.
Again, it's a defense. Meron pa rin konting defense, pero may mga defense na pinapalagpas.
Tatanungin kita,
Oo.
sino hindi mo pinalagpas? Ayan. For those of you who don't know, Janice, when I was just really starting in the business, actually, hindi siya isa sa, siya lang ang aking best friend. I was only like 13 years old. I always thought of Janice as my younger sister. Pero, putting that in my head, bata pa kami, mas madami siyang knowledge kesa sa akin. Knowledge when it comes to life, mga stories to tell, si Janice po.
Do you remember kung anong show yun when I approached you? Remember? Nagpo-promote ko lang kasi pinuwin.
Basta,
Oo, nauna mo mamainis.
oo, maingat. Yung iba, hindi na alam. Please do research. Google. Ayan. I don't know why. How did we click? Basta, I think you approached me because I'm very shy.
Yeah, I approached.
So, wala akong nilalapitan.
Hindi na kaya i-approach you.
Why? Mukha akong kawawa.
Hindi. Kasi nung time na yun, parang iniintriga ka. Kasi so many...
Okay, katatapos lang ng pag-ibig pa. Kasi
Okay,
diba,
basta yun.
sobra akong criticize.
Oh, yeah, that's why.
So parang
That's why-
ayoko na, quit na ako. Sabi ko kay mama, ayoko na. So tapos nagkaroon pa kami ng Just Say You Love Me. Yun naman, bumawi naman kami.
Bumawi kayo.
Oo. O mamaya, kukwento namin ni Janice kung ano bang pinag-uusapan namin nung bata kami. In the meantime, I gotta congratulate you for winning the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award
Thank you.
sa PNPC.
You know what's weird is when they told me that I was going to get the award, I said, ano bang monumental thing ang ginawa ko for the industry?
Kaya-
In my mind kasi when you hear